NOXTON 60cm Induction Hob 4-zone electric cooktop with booster, timer, safety lock and touch slider control. 6400W7000W, built-in, no plug. Modern cooking meets powerful performance with the NOXTON 60cm 4-zone built-in induction hob. Designed for contemporary kitchens, this premium cooktop combines precision heat control, quick response, and energy efficiency in a sleek, polished glass design that looks as good as it performs. With up to 7,000 W of total power, booster functionality, and independent control for each zone, it delivers professional-grade performance for home chefs. Whether you're boiling, braising, searing, or simmering, this hob ensures fast, efficient, and safe cooking every time. Key features: 4 powerful cooking zones. Cook multiple dishes simultaneously with 4 high-performance induction zones. 2x18cm zones with 1800W. Boost to 2100W. 2x16cm zones with 1500W. In select models, 2 larger zones offer 2600W. Boost to 3000W, ideal for large pots or high-heat cooking. Boost function for extra speed. Short on time? Activate the boost mode to deliver maximum power for 5 minutes. Perfect for rapid boiling, stir-frying, or searing meats quickly and efficiently. 9 heat levels with slider touch control. Control heat with precision using the intuitive touch slider panel. With 9 adjustable power levels, easily switch between gentle simmering and intense boiling for any dish. Built-in 99-minute timer. Set individual cooking timers for each zone, 1 to 99 minutes. Simply select the hob, tap the timer button, and set the time using the slider. Enjoy worry-free cooking without needing to constantly monitor your food. Safety features for peace of mind. Includes a child safety lock, residual heat indicator, and automatic shutoff for safe operation. Lock the controls by pressing the safety button for 3 to 5 seconds, ideal for family households. Fast, energy-efficient induction. Induction technology heats cookware directly, minimizing energy waste and providing fast, even heat. Only suitable for magnetic pots and pans, iron, stainless steel, alloy. Polished glass surface. The black ceramic glass top is scratch-resistant, heat-resistant, and easy to clean. It adds a modern, elegant look to any kitchen while being durable enough for daily use. High power, hardwired installation. With total power ranging from 6400W to 7000W, this induction hob is built for performance. Comes without a plug for direct connection to the electrical system, enabling unrestricted use of full power. Compact built-in design. Hob size: 59x52x6.1 centimeters. Cutout size: 56x49 centimeters. A perfect fit for most standard countertops, providing a space-saving, seamless built-in look. Perfect for modern home kitchens, apartments and space-saving layouts, families needing safe, efficient cooking, tech-savvy home chefs, energy-conscious households. What's in the box? NOXTON 4-zone induction hob. User manual, mounting brackets and installation kit, scraper for glass cleaning. Why choose NOXTON? NOXTON offers reliable, stylish kitchen appliances designed with performance and user experience in mind. This induction hob combines modern technology, safety, and design to elevate your cooking space without compromise. Make cooking smarter, safer, and faster with NOXTON. Whether you're preparing a simple breakfast or a multi-course meal, the NOXTON induction hob provides professional-grade power and control at your fingertips.